Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to send Google Forms on WhatsApp. So let's start. Okay, first of all, I'm here in google.com. On the top, you'll find apps. Go to apps and go to forms. Then you can find forms which you have created over here. Here is my form which I have created. Then to send this on WhatsApp, all we need to do is click on this and the form will be opened. Then you can see here is send. Tap on this send and you'll get this interface. Here you can see send via email, get link and also embed. So to send this on WhatsApp, all we need to do is press on this link and you can simply copy this, or also we can shorten this URL by clicking over here, then copy. After that, go to WhatsApp and send the link to the desired person. So in this way, we can send Google Forms on WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.